Hey guys, Cody here from Wandering Beast, and today we're going to be going over the EDC pack. This has not been staged, this is sort of off the cuff, just the way I do my normal EDC videos, and as well cover the 3V Gear Bag. Vini Vidi Vici, stay tuned, let's check it out. Alright guys, we're going to be going over, this is basically my sort of EDC pack. This has not been altered, this is basically off the cuff, this is what I normally carry on a day-to-day basis, and you're going to see that there's a lot of things I have not taken out there. This is not a specific emergency or COVID sponsored video. Like all my videos, these are very candid and sort of off the cuff. The gloves that you see here are ones I've been using. These gloves are nothing new. They're some Thinsulate, custom leather craft. They've got a leather palm. They are a little bit warmer. They're generally what I put in the truck. I've had them for a very long time. Been using those quite extensively. This pack will be in the description. This is from 3V. This is a fairly new pack. I've had it for about 3 months now. I've been doing some testing and it is fantastic. This will kind of serve as its review, kind of what I carry, and absolutely love it. The only little niggle about it is this specific one does not have a water bottle holder. So I'm running a VanQuest sort of water bottle holder on the side. This is my old Grail. I am looking to get the newer ones. However, I like the skinny form factor. It is just a bear to use, and I've had it now for about 4 years, and we'll probably do a separate review on that one. You can get basically filters for the city. This is the blue filter, and then of course when I was traveling on the airplane going out of the ship, I was using the blue primarily, and then the yellow filter will filter basically out of a stream. It works like a French press. You put in your dirty water in the bottom or anything out of a hotel or a fountain, and then you press this down just like a French press, and all the clean water goes in there. I've already drank my water today, so it is currently empty, but just a nice overall. It's got good O-rings, doesn't leak that well, doesn't leak all the time, but if you do dump it upside down, you will get a little bit of leakage, so you do have to be careful on that. I like the peace of mind that it filters out all the normal drinking water. Now, front of the pack, standard sort of Molly affair. This is just my admin pouch. I've got some gum in here, some pens, a small notebook. And then, so talking about this pack, these zippers are phenomenal. If there's one takeaway from this pack, other than price point and it's, you know, manufacturing, it's made really well, it's the zippers. These zippers are like the best zippers I've ever had on a pack. They are quick, they are easy, they don't snag. I don't know what they are, but they are absolutely spot on, fantastic. Probably one of the first things and that I noticed about this pack, and one of the best qualities of this pack. Coming into the front here, we'll zoom in. The front of the pack has a lot of this elastic material for kind of organizing things. And again, not very specific. I carry these Knipex, a little Cobra Claw, and an adjustable wrench. I've actually been doing a lot of, not just home remodel, but I've been helping a family member who also does remodeling and a lot of home contracting work. And oftentimes we're using his tools. Sometimes I get dropped off at a job and I need a tool that I didn't get out of his van. So it's just nice to have an adjustable wrench. That's why those are in there. Knife sharpener, another Sharpie, because I can never have enough Sharpies. This guy's I've not done a review on, but still one of my favorite sort of EDC carries is the MSK 2.5 from Tops. This has been with me for every little motorcycle adventure. It's strong enough to baton wood, as you saw earlier, but small enough it fits everywhere. Of course, this has been in here prior to COVID. It's almost out. Hand sanitizer in a spritz can. This is SPF, basically sunscreen and a moisturizer. And then there's a little key keeper. I haven't really used that one. And then back here, of course, another, this is just emergency toilet paper, and I've done a video on that. I'll put a link up top. And that's kind of how the front pouch is designed. Now going to the top pouch, a lot of these smaller bags don't have this pouch, this sort of Molly standard pouch. You've got Velcro loop attachments. The Velcro is also Molly compatible, but a lot of these sort of individual pouch here, I don't get until you get a bigger backpack, and I do like having that on the smaller bags. In there, again, did not plan this. video today, but we've got some batteries and stuff since I'm doing videos for you guys. I do have a lighter bro, full size, that fits in the little expandable pouch there, and then a bunch of random screws and a couple band-aids because I always seem to nick my hands, and if I'm at a customer's house, I don't want to get blood everywhere. That is not professional. All right, guys, let's just dive into the main compartment here. Again, flawless zippers, amazing zippers. Right now it is still winter, so I keep a toque in there, some warm gloves. Again, this is not really COVID designed, but I have an RZ mask for any sort of drywall work, construction work, dust, you name it. This thing has been nice, and again, you can insert different filters. Look those guys up. I'll put some links in there. I do have a pretty hefty little first aid kit, which is a little unusual for an EDC bag. Again, I did not design this bag for this specific video. However, because oftentimes I'm dropped off and I'm using very dangerous equipment, saws and all sorts of fun things, I always carry a good blood stopper. This is actually one that I usually keep in a vehicle. If you guys want to see a separate video, let me know. But it covers a lot of that. And what else we got here? I do have a bow fang. This was something I did add after things started getting a little bit of weirdness, and I wanted to have comms with the house. And so I knew I could reach out and touch somebody via him if I need to. Now on the front here, there is a small little zippered pouch, and what I keep in there are the little charging cables. There's the antenna, things of that nature. That's what I keep in there. Now in the back, there is this sort of back admin pouch. It's got a little bit of a bungee attachment to it. I keep a big power block in there for charging the cell phone. I have a massive trauma gauze in the back of that does not fit in the first aid kit. There's a chocolate bar and a couple Epic bars, and that gets me through the day. If I get displaced or I'm out working and I don't really have a lot of things, that gets me 90% home. The one thing that's missing that's charging in my truck is my Olight headlamp. And again, I've done a video on that. All right, now just taking a look at the outside, we've got a little carabiner, nice sort of grab handle. Coming across to the back, you have an ambidextrous over-the-shoulder wrap here, which basically means it comes down the center. So depending on what direction you want to have that fit, if you're a lefty or a righty, lots of attachment points and MOLLE as well. And then behind there, you're going to see a Velcro panel, obviously CCW holder, depending on what your state calls it, concealed carry. It will fit my 10-inch laptop, or my tablet, excuse me, and so oftentimes I do carry it that way. All right, guys, that wraps up the review and as well as the EDC bag. As I said before the video, not really staged. That's what I carry. This is my man bag, my man purse, my MERS. My everyday goes into whatever vehicle or whatever job site I'm headed out to. I hope this helps. We're going to continue on the back to basics, sort of being prepared and what I carry and what maybe you should carry. Introduce you to a few new products. Hope you guys are well, stay safe, and we'll see you down the road.
Thanks for all the love and support. You guys are amazing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow the adventure on social media, and we'll see you on the road.